We are wrapping up the 2025 edition of Paris Air Show, and we want to express a big thank you to all of you being with us, clients, candidates, partners. It's been an immense week, really busy, and we have proudly discussed the trends in the industry, showcased solutions, focus on AI and sustainability, and what we bring to the industry in the technology, innovation and sustainability transformation. So thank you again to everyone, and thank you to all colleagues for being part of making it happen. We engineer a smarter future together. Thank you.